you want to just try and get up here on level ground?
Can you tie me up?
Yeah.
Gearbox line.
Okay, 1 sec. So I'll just drop you just about there, I reckon.
Sounds good. Oh yeah, turn it off.
Bloody glad I was out here with you. This would have been shit if I was on my own.
Oh fuck.
Look into her eyes, no need for disguise. Drifting on through, she welcomes me to a hot cave. The fairy tale's on fire. Still I wearing black.
So Payne's Find really does have some of the oldest land and landscapes in the country. Just north of here, some of the rock has been dated back to 3.2 billion years old. Now, from my knowledge, the Earth's only 4 billion years old, so we're talking, you know, back at the start of creation. In saying that, these rocks and this landscape are very tough on the car. You know, we ran into an issue with Harry's car. He has literally rolled down the hill. I towed him to a point where he could roll and pick up a bit of speed, and he's just coasted over this landscape. Now, for me, it's just a matter of slowly navigating my way down so we don't have two cars with a bit of trouble. So Maury and I are taking our time, get down there slow and steady, and then we can run to the nearest service station, which is not very close, and pick up what we can to get Harry's car moving again. My God, I love this landscape. Just really rich, deep reds, incredible colors, nothing around. There really is no one out here. Only thing is, I need to find you, obviously, to tow you to the next point. So, are you on a flat or are you still going?
I just lost drive in a ditch.
Ah, shit. Do you know whereabouts you are? Because I get no sight of you.
Oh mate, spoil me. That's what I wanted for lunch.
So you reckon it'll be enough?
Mate, I don't think I'll even need all of this. Perfect.
Bang, bang, that's my heart it beats. Something more than moans 2 feet. Follow that beat, she said to me. I'll be whatever you wanna be. Making something out of nothing. Nothing in return.
So we decided to, well, I actually dared Harry to drive across this salt lake, and as you can see, it's no short of salt lake, and he went for it, and then he made it to the other side and said it was the coolest thing he's ever done. So I started to shit my pants and he said, yep, go for it, high revs, just keep revs going the whole time. And I let the tyres down and did that, and you just the whole way just feel the car going like this, and you know you can't take your foot off the boat, and you don't know where's boggy, where's not boggy. If you go to the left of your tracks or my tracks, then who knows. But that was sick.
Before we overdo it, don't wanna talk about it now. Supposed to
It's looking good.
Hey? Oh no!
The bottom burned my hands.
Oh shit!
Was this your boyfriend I'm cuddling?
Hey!
So the issue we've got, it's a beautiful day today, but tomorrow there's forecast for rain up here, so if that happens, we really need like a 400-meter rope. So get everything we can before we put my car in, because once my car's in, if that gets stuck, then we really are in some trouble.
I was like, no, I'll get up and I'll stop and assess. And I was like, I'm going!
Oh no! Oh, when I saw your plane, I was like,
Oh man, I just suddenly felt it. I was like, it's not digging down. It's not digging down.
Yeah.
It's not oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
when I was walking back with the tracks. When I was walking back with the tracks, I was like, all right, Caleb, give yourself 10 hours for this.
Yeah.
And before we call someone.
Dislocate your play. It just suddenly sunk because that crust had already been taken off by your car. So in hindsight, I should have just been way away from your tracks. And also I probably should have aired down to like 12 just to be really safe. But I was still at 24, 26. I just thought, oh, I'll do it yesterday, it'll be fine. You know, I just got complacent and yeah, that happens. I should have, yeah, I just should have been more prepared for it.
I pinned it across this morning and managed to find a good run. And I was like, oh, thank God I made it. Got the drone up and told Harry to give it a crack and stay to the right until he sees my boggy bits on the right and then hook back in before you get to them. And he did that, but then he got stuck in one of my tracks and I was filming with the drone and you just see his car going from 40 to just nothing straight away. And he came on the two-way, so Houston, we have a problem. And so yeah, there was the option to get my car in, put my car on tracks and winch him out, but we kind of had a chat and we knew we had to give it our best first with the Mack tracks before we got another car involved. Otherwise we're both stuck there and it's raining tomorrow, we'd be up shit creek. So Max tracks, Harry lowered his tyres to 7 psi and we found some wood as well, and yeah, it was only about an hour and we're out. So Really stoked we can actually get to that pub lunch, Az.
Pub lunch is on me, mate.
You guys heard that.